Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Let's make this chocolate heart surprise cake. Start with 250 grams of cake mix, 3 eggs, 30 millilitres of oil and 50 millilitres of milk. Give them a whisk. Add some food colouring. And now we have a pink cake mix. Pour into your lined cake tin. Give it a tap and bake at 180 degrees for 30 minutes. Once cooled, you can slice. Now use a heart-shaped cookie cutter to cut out a heart from the middle of each slice. And let's make our chocolate cake. We want 250 grams of chocolate cake mix, 3 eggs, 30 millilitres of oil, 50 millilitres of milk, and give it a good whisk. Now pour that into a lined cake tin, just enough to cover the bottom. And then carefully place on your heart cutouts. Right in the middle. Then pour on the rest of your cake batter. Don't forget to lick the bowl. Smooth it out. And bake at 180 degrees for 40 minutes. Looks delicious. Once it's cooled, we can coat it in pink buttercream icing. Just smoothing out the edges. And add some heart sprinkles. Pipe on a buttercream heart at the end. Lovely. And your chocolate heart surprise cake is ready to serve to your loved ones. Can't wait to see the look on their face when they see the hidden heart within. I love this cake. Don't you?